green around me. Heyo, what's popping guys? I hope you guys living the adventure. I hope you guys enjoying life. I would like to welcome new subscribers and would like to encourage you to like and subscribe if you didn't. If you are new to this channel, to smash ring bell here so you can get all the videos I'm posting. I'm sure that you're excited like me to travel and spend like summer or even your free time in a new experience. I encourage all of you who are willing to volunteer in the future. I do it. As you know guys, I'm volunteering in a dairy farm, and as I cook, I feel encouraged actually to learn more about it, how to deal with animals, and learn more about the root of the sources we are using in the kitchen. So it's very interesting for me. The work I'm doing here, basically from feeding the cattle, pushing the feeds, and even feeding the small baby cattle. There's a lot of cleaning some shit, or I can say now after I learn about it, it's manure, which is good for the soil. Thing is, I'm learning more about local environment in Turkey and practicing more my Turkish, which is very important for me. I learn more than that, absorbing the cattle and see like how each cattle is individual person. Some of them like searching for the tastiest bits of the grass. It's very interesting how animals actually deal with each other, and I've witnessed several like newborn baby cattle. Those, they are so cute, and how the connection between them and the mothers. I learned a lot, learned more about agriculture, how the shit of animals actually contribute so much for the soil. I learned this new thing I have no idea before about, which called holistic management. I've also had the experience to witness like the newborn baby, and the mother was suffering from an illness, or she was tired a bit, so she couldn't walk, and she somehow felt on the child, and the child was almost dying. And it's insane. It's like I was feeling like this cattle was my child somehow. I was like rushing myself just to save her before she dies. So it's interesting. It's interesting how much you can learn from this, how much you can absorb being in the nature by itself, and just amazing. But it's great like lifestyle. I'm in love with it, especially with the volunteers who have the same idea, passionate of working with animals and helping them. So 1 week passed, I have another 2 weeks. I'm really excited. I'm really willing to work harder every day to absorb more of what's going on in here. Anyway guys, I can't express how much grateful I am for this experience, and really would like to encourage you to do the same and volunteer in such environments, such places. And I'm very happy and motivated to share my experience with you guys. As I'm talking about work away, I get to meet a lovely person. Came through this website called Anna. It was her last day today and she was leaving today. She said goodbye to her. She said few words about work away. Let's get it. Alright, time has come and Anna is leaving. It's her last day. Anna?
Okay.
No.
That's so perfect.
Enes, Ana gidiyor.
Ana gidiyor.
Sen ne konuşma?
Üzgün ana gidiyor. Birer sorry.
Yok, nasıl? Türkçe. Cry.
Bana ağlamak.
Ağlamak.
Yes.
Please do.
What do you feel?
It's a weird feeling because when I went to England, it was going into the unknown, and it's strange because going home is the exact same thing. You're going somewhere that you have absolutely no idea what's going to happen. I always enjoy the farm. This is my home. I don't know what I'm going to smell like when I get to Australia, but I know it's not going to be good, and I'm totally fine with that.
Do you want to tell anybody who would like to volunteer in the future some suggestion you absorb here, some like lessons you've learned?
It's so much more than traveling, and it broadens your mind and it changes who you are in positive ways, not negative ways. You'll see negative things maybe depending on the country you go to, but it's not necessarily something that's going to impact you. Like, you know, I've seen sad stuff on the farm. We know that we love those cows to the best of our abilities. We know that we made her last few hours the best and most comfortable that they could be. Like 1706, you know, she was really sick and she couldn't even stand. And now she's fucking walking. She can walk around and she can be milked. Like
Yes.
she is perfect, and it's because we give so much love to it. And vegans come to this farm. Now don't drink milk, don't eat the cheese, but experience it because
Exactly. Absorb what's
Yeah.
going on. Rahmet, ana gidiyor. Bye bye.
Bay bay, biz yana tekrar gidiyoruz.
Oh.
One shift later.
I have a great roommate. Enes,
Hi.
nasılsın kardeşim?
İyiyim kardeşim, sen nasılsın?
Allah iyiyim.
Good.
Me and Enes, I'm speaking a bit of Turkish and he speaks a bit of English, so it's perfect. Ben Türkçe, praktik beraber Enes.
Birlikte, together.
Enes, praktik İngilizce. Çok.
Beraber öğreniyoruz.
%50.
11 minutes later.
Vay. Bahar, teşekkürler. Eline sağlık. It's Uzbek food. He's made it with her own hands. Thank you so much. With Oznur. Teşekkürler.
3 hours later.
So we're having a break now. So I want you guys to meet 2 new volunteers with me. Oznur, who's trying to whistle unsuccessfully. Elida. Hello, Elida.
Hi.
Hello. Those 2 volunteers, like Anna and me, they are also working in the farm. Why did you volunteer here? What's your reasons?
Because I want to move to the rural areas to live after my graduation, and I want to learn how to deal with basically the animals and learn holistic management. Why?
Yeah, I told you about guys holistic management and I think a lot of people are interested about Oznur. Konuşmak niye burada geldi sana?
Like Elida.
Like
Like Elida.
No, Türkçe konuşuyor. Türkçe. Biraz.
Biraz.
Ha.
Kırsalda yaşamayı deneyimlemek istedim. Burada yapabilir miyim? Kırsalı sever miyim? Onu görmek istedim. Ve olursa Aysun'la komşu olmak istiyorum.
Güzel. Good luck. I'm with the team. Oznur is here helping us and Elida just left and we are scrapping this so it can go to the soil and regenerate macroorganisms. Yes, I'm here. The 2nd week is almost finished and I'm preparing for the 3rd week. So hopefully I'll see you in the other week. You are so cute. You are so cute, yeah.